I'm back with another video, but in today's video I'm going to challenge me for that I have to take my own gun and I have to shoot and make one alphabet. So guys, I'm trying to make one first alphabet is B. So that will be only one challenge. So let's start. Or I just know. So let's start. Oh, too fast. Oh, near one. What? What? I'm not nice. Oh, what? Guys, I don't. Why my cat is attacking the bullet? Any ammo? No. So guys, ready again, and so let's start. What? Why all the bullets are going like this? Oh, nice one. Oh. Wow. Beautiful shot. What are you doing? Guys, I have completed, or I have almost completed it. So my one bullet fell down now. So let's do again. My last bullet to fit. Go. Oh wow. Very bad shot. Oh no. Oh, ammo finished. And guys, so guys, ready again. And now this is my last chance to complete the challenge. So I am ready. So I don't know. Let's start. Oh, nice one. Oh, near one. Oh, flip. Guys, flip. See. Oh my God. Oh. Done. Guys, let me try one more time. I almost finished the full challenge, but I did not. So guys, now let's try one more. Oh. What? Done. I did not complete the challenge. Why my cat is doing this? Guys, now now I'm putting the bullets. Guys, ready? So let's try it again. Oh. Oh my God. Wait guys, 2 minutes. So now guys, let's do again. Oh. 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 So, oh my God, that was very funny. Oh. Again, my ammo is done. Oh my god. Guys, I completed. Yes. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. So bye guys, meet you in next video. Like and subscribe my channel, press the bell notification. But one more thing, any lucky one can get my HK keychains. See guys, so beautiful. See, two HK keychains. Only some lucky one can get this. So bye guys, meet you in next video. Like and subscribe my channel, press the bell notification. Bye guys.